You loser, Donald Trump. He hasn't started any new wars. He's not gonna start any new wars. Up to the front lines first, motherfucker. Little bitch-ass motherfuckers. To Israel and to the Netanyahu. You guys are the first to your local recruitment center. You guys are the first. Go to war. If you support this, ship you off to war in Iran. Well, I know it's mostly through the air anyways. There's not going to be boots on the ground. But you motherfuckers who want to spin this, you guys are first. Enlist into the army. Enlist into the Air Force. You guys are first. What happened to he wouldn't start any new wars? He's not starting any new wars. Huh? Turns out he's another Zionist Jew motherfucker like the rest of them. This is who Donald Trump is. He's a Zionist puppet motherfucker to the military-industrial complex. He is Agent Krasnov. By bombing Iran, we are going to focus resources away from Ukraine, which helps Vladimir Putin try to take over Ukraine. If resources are going towards Iran, this makes it a little bit easier for Vladimir Putin to overtake Ukraine. But you see, Obama crafted the Iran nuclear deal, which prevented Iran from developing nuclear weapons in exchange for sanctions relief. But Donald Trump got rid of the Iran nuclear deal, which meant that Iran could develop nuclear weapons again. That's why Israel bombed Iran. This is why America bombed Iran. It's because Donald Trump created the conflict to begin with. Obama was the one negotiating and creating peace in the region. This dumb motherfucker just got rid of it because he has such a very unhealthy obsession with hating on Obama. But Obama's the guy who got Iran to stop developing nukes. Donald Trump created this conflict. Donald Trump's approval rating is in the gutter. Donald Trump is in a one rude awakening if he thinks this is going to change how America thinks it. And we are sick and tired of the wars, and Donald Trump is a traitor, and Donald Trump is just another puppet to the Zionist banking cabal that runs the world. He is a joke. Anyone who defends him is a joke and a fucking retard. Have no fucking brain whatso fucking ever. You guys go to the front line first. He's itching for a war so he can stay in office. He's going to declare a national emergency. This is what this lunatic wants to do. He wants to stay in power beyond 2028. He is purposely creating this conflict. He wants to stop the midterms. He's trying to start a war. That's what he's trying to do. 5 months and a day after inauguration, we risk the prospect of World War III. Iran is gematria of World War. World War, gematria of Donald Trump. Remember when Saddam Hussein relied about, Saddam has nukes? Well, it turns out they didn't have the nuclear weapons. How do we know that Iran had any nuclear weapons capable of harming our national security to begin with? That's the real question. How do we know they even had nuclear weapons capable of destroying America? The media in the West lied about Iraq and Saddam. Why should we take their word at it? Iran was never a threat to U.S. national security. Now we risk vengeance in retaliation from Iran. We are less safe today because of this reckless action from a fascist, grifting, felon, warmongering piece of garbage, Donald Trump. Fuck Donald Trump. Fuck everyone out there who wants to overtake the Constitution. Fuck everybody who wants a king. It's gonna end badly for Donald Trump. It is gonna end badly. We are sick and tired of the wars. He's trying to start World War III to stay in office. It's time to invoke the 25th Amendment. It's time to impeach and convict. It's time to go out and vote in the midterms? How's China and Russia going to retaliate? How's China going to retaliate economically? You see, this is very reckless what Donald Trump did, but he's thirsting for a war. But we're sick and tired of your warmongering games. I've got news for you. Donald Trump is going to hell. You know why? Because Mar-a-Lago means sea to lake. So the beast of the sea gets thrown into the lake of fire. And Donald Trump is the devil. He is going down.